We have x plus y equal to 6 and x minus y equal to 4. These are two simultaneous equations which are linear in two variables. We need to find the value of x and y by graphical method. To do so, we need some x and y values which satisfy the given equations. For example, if we observe in x plus y equal to 6, then we can write here 5 plus 1 equal to 6. It means that when x is 5, y must be 1. And when x is 3, y must be 3 because the sum of 3 and 3 is 6. Similarly, for x value as 1, the y must be 5 as the sum of 1 and 5 is 6. Let's summarize these values in a table. So we have x values as 5, 3 and 1 with respect to the y values as 1, 3, 5 respectively. In case of x minus y, we can write some values similar as in case of x plus y equal to 6 we have written as 8 minus 4 equal to 4, 10 minus 6 equal to 4 and 11 minus 7 equal to 4 and many more we can write. So when x is 8, the y must be 4 to satisfy the x minus y equal to 4 as 8 minus 4 equal to 4. Similarly, the difference between 10 and 6 is 4 and difference between 11 and 7 is also 4. Let's summarize these values in a table. So now we have two tables which can be used to draw a graph for the given simultaneous equation, because these two equations are linear equations, so we can get a straight line on the graph paper by using the different values which we have find from these two equations in the form of these two tables. So let's bring these tables on the graph paper. Now in case of first table, for x equal to 5, the y is 1. It means that we can draw a point on the graph paper whose x value is 5 and y value is 1. How? Let's see. As x equal to 5, then a line will cut x-axis at the point of 5. Now the y is 1, so a line will cut y-axis at the point of 1 on the y-axis. These two lines are intersecting at a point, and that intersecting point is the required point whose x coordinate is 5 and y coordinates is 1, or we can write here also as 5 comma 1, which means that x is 5 and y is 1. Similarly, in case of 3 comma 3, or when x equal to 3, the y is 3, so we can draw a line which cuts the x-axis at the point of 3, and also we can draw another line which cuts the y-axis at the point of intersection of these two lines is the required point whose coordinates are 3 comma 3, which means that the x value is 3 and y value is 3. Now when x equal to 1 and y equal to 5, then we need a two line. The one line will cut the x-axis at the point of 1 and the second one line will cut the y-axis at the point of 5. The intersection of these two lines is the required point whose coordinate is 1 comma 5. Now we have 3 points 5 comma 1, 3 comma 3 and 1 comma 5. Draw a line which passes through these three lines. This line is the geometrical representation of the given table, or we have drawn this table from the equation x plus y equal to 6 So this line is a geometrical representation of the line of the linear equation x plus y equal to 6. Similarly, we can geometrically represent the line or the equation, the linear equation x minus y equal to 4. Let's see how. We draw the second table from the x minus y equal to 4 equation. So in the table, x value is 8, then the y is 4. So we need a two line which cut the x-axis at the point of 8, and the second line will cut the y-axis at the point of 4. The intersection of these two lines is the required point whose coordinates are 8, 4. Similarly, in case of 10, 6, or when x equal to 10, the y is 6. So we need a two line which cuts the x-axis at the point of 10. The first line will cut the x-axis at the point of 10, and the second line will cut the y-axis at the point of 6. This intersection point is the required point whose coordinates are 10, 6. Now in case of the 11 and 7, the x value is 11 and y value is 7. The line will cut the x-axis at the point of 11, and a line will cut the y-axis at the point of 7, and intersection of these two lines have the x value 11 and y value 7. This is the required point whose coordinates are 11, 7. As we draw previous in case of the first table, similarly we can draw a line which passes through these 3 points. This line is a geometrical representation of x minus y equal to 4. So the intersection of these two lines is the solution of the given simultaneous equation, which means that the coordinate of this point are 5, 1. So the x value is 5 and y value is 1. If you put this value in the given equation, then this value will satisfy both the equation. As the first equation is x plus y equal to 6, so the sum of x and y is 6. As we see here, the sum of 5 and 1 is also 6. So the first equation is satisfying. The second equation was x minus y equal to 4. The difference between x and y is 4. As we see here, the difference of 5 and 1 is also 4. So the value of x equal to 5 and y equal to 1 are satisfying both the equation. So these values of x and y are the solution of the given simultaneous equation. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more video notifications.